Welcome to madecv.com. Please introduce yourself. What is your name and nationality?
Parla Bayo Divara.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 44 years old.
And you're from? Philippines. Are you single or married?
I'm married.
Married. Do you have children?
Yeah, I have 6 children.
6 children. And where are they now?
They, 2 is here and then 4 is there in Philippines.
Two children here and the rest in Philippines. Okay. When would you be able to start working?
Anytime from now.
Anytime from now, you can start. Okay. So, please describe your present job. What are you doing right now with your present employer?
Everything I will do, cleaning, take care of the baby. Sometimes I'm cooking. Sometimes I go for shopping, grocery shopping.
Okay, so how many children are under your care?
Only one.
Only one child. Okay.
Yeah, only one.
So what do you like most about your present job and why? What do you like most about your present job? What do you enjoy doing in your present job? Cleaning or looking after children?
All I enjoy.
You enjoyed all. Okay. So do you know how to cook?
A little bit, not too much.
Not too much. Okay, are you willing to learn how to cook other dishes?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so as a nanny, what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Playing, singing. He enjoyed too much for that.
Playing and singing.
Singing.
What do children like best about you? What do they like about you? The children.
He liked to hear my voice.
Okay. If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
Sorry?
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
I will take him and then I will sing to him and then after he stops crying.
Okay, you will comfort the child. So, as a nanny, could you say no to a child? Could you say no to a child? For example, yes, it depends. If it is bad for the child, you should say no. Okay, the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
Teach little bit for the some
assignments? Some assignments?
Yeah.
Okay, you will keep the child busy until dinner time. Okay, what kind of a nanny are you? Describe yourself. What kind of a nanny are you? Are you hardworking? Honest?
Yeah, I am hardworking, honest, and then I will do all of my best to become happy the baby.
Okay. So give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? Why? Your message to your future employer. Just a short message. What are you going to tell your future employer? They should hire you because? They should hire you because hardworking, honest. Are you hardworking or honest?
Yeah, hardworking.
You are hardworking. Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from madecv.com. Thank you.